Do you ever feel like you're never in real control of your data on the internet? Do you ever feel like when you're browsing, somebody's watching over your shoulder, watching your every move? Well, here's the harsh reality. It's actually happening every day on the normal internet. I was recently looking to buy some winter boots on a e-commerce website, and after doing a little bit of shopping, I didn't buy anything. So I closed that website and went on another totally unrelated website, not even related to e-commerce. And lo and behold, I was presented with an ad. That was like no more than an hour after that. So an hour after I visited that e-commerce website, I was presented with an ad for that website to try to sell me boots, coats, anything related to their e-commerce website. How crazy is that? So that means that my data is tracked. I was followed from one website to another, even though I gave them no permission. Maybe I accepted some cookies. Who knows? I don't remember. But one website to another, I was followed, and my information was taken from me and used to present me ads for for more shopping on that website. That is absolutely mind-boggling. And I know what you might say. You might say, "Well, Justin, it's just cookies. It's normal. Websites use that to track certain actions, and web developers need it for storing useful things on their website." Yeah, that might be true, but what do you think? Do you think those cookies are only used for that? Nope. They're also used to sell your data to third parties, which you're totally unaware of, or to sell your data to governments. That's another example. Why do you think the fine print when you sign up for any social media website? Why do you think the fine print is so small and there are so many terms and conditions you must accept? Because they're fully aware that all your data that you're putting on this social media website will be used and sold. That's a big part of how these big corporations make their money is through big data and data scavenging. So all that to say is, this is something definitely preoccupying about the normal internet. And that's when Web3 comes along. Web3, and more specifically Qortal, because Qortal is a internet alternative, so you could browse applications without needing to be worried about all this stuff. That's where Web3 really shines, because despite what you might think, Web3 goes way beyond meme coins and speculation, like most people think. Instead, it's the new evolution of the internet where the data is put back in the user's control, meaning that you choose what you want to do with your data, whether you want to share it with an application or not, and nobody can track you because there's no such thing as a centralized server. There's no more servers. It's only a network of nodes known as a blockchain, meaning your computer is talking directly with another person's computer and you're exchanging data directly with them. So no third parties, no intermediaries, nobody is able to spy on you or hack you or do none of this crazy stuff that's happening on the normal internet. And once again, Qortal is way ahead of the game because it already has a product that's been live since 2020 and that you can start using today, whether on your desktop computer, on your phone, or on your favorite Chromium browser. And it's available, and you could start browsing apps that have already been built today, such as QShop, QTube, QTrade. These are just some examples, but new apps are going to be added every day once we get some new developers into the project. And yeah, all that to say is, if you want to reclaim control of your data, check out Qortal. Visit Qortal.dev, install it on your favorite device, and I'll see you on Qortal.